G'day guys, Jack Fitzgerald from Hello Fencing. Now I'm standing in front of a brilliantly thought out foaling paddock with a 1.2 metre high stiff stay horse mesh product, which actually uses, as you can see here, the stiff stay knot, 50 millimetres wide, the picket spacing, with 100 mil spacing with the line wires. Now that's a very important spacing and a very important system for use in this application, being a foaling paddock. So in the event of a horse striking out against the fence, there's basically no way that the hoof is going to get through those line or picket wires, especially with that stiff stay knot. Now also what the clients have done here is they've installed an electric top woven rope and an offset, 150 mil offset woven rope. Now the reason they've set that woven rope at around about 1 metre high above ground, so in the event of a playful foal striking out against the fence, the stiff stay will absorb that impact and prevent the hoof from going through the fence and cutting itself, but also to prevent that hoof from getting up tangled around that top electric wire. Now in the event of it getting tangled in that wire, it's made out of woven rope, so it will break under a certain strain. Now you can see this fence is around about 16 years old and it's held up brilliantly out in these conditions. Now also another very important feature of this fence is how they've constructed the end assembly. So the stiff stay actually wraps around the entire end assembly and back onto itself on the second strainer post. Now the reason they've done that is to prevent that cross brace from being exposed either with a foal entering the paddock or exiting the paddock. So it protects the strainer assembly from both sides. Now also what you'll see with the bar gate is the bar gate is hinged from the outside of the strainer post. So what that enables you to do, if you're on your own bringing foals in or foals out, that gate will swing all the way around and latch on here, so that once again there's going to be no real pinch points or catch points for the foal. So in general, it's a very well thought out fence, about 16 years old, using the stiff stay, which is a heavy gal system, and it's held up brilliantly. So all in all, it's a very well thought out foaling fence.